What's the meaning of collective unconscious? Collective unconscious. Collective unconscious.
Collective unconscious. Collective unconscious. The collective unconscious is a concept introduced by Swiss psychologist Carl Jung. It represents the idea that there is a deeper level of the human psyche that contains shared experiences and archetypes across cultures and generations. According to Jung, this unconscious level of the mind is inherited and is the result of our shared evolutionary history. It contains themes and symbols that are universal and part of our common humanity. Jung believed that tapping into this collective unconscious could lead to a greater understanding of ourselves and the world around us.